Hello, I'm Zachary, and I wanted to show you a funny video. And it's not just about me, but it's about my cat. And she does this sometimes, but she sticks her tongue out. Barely. This is Pepper. She doesn't really meow, but when you do this, command, she stares. Uncommand. Command. Uncommand. Shake your ears. Now, this is one of the last because you know when this cat was alive. This isn't in her years. This is in our years. So this is basically before my dad was born. He's 35. In human years, she's 40. She's 45. She's older than my dad. So that's probably the oldest a cat could be in real years. So she wouldn't have much of a life yet left. But she's been surviving on food. And I'm super proud of her. I mean, we found her on the side of a road. When my grandma and grandpa found her on the side of a road when she was just 1 year old. She was itty bitty. She could fit in this slipper and you couldn't even see her. So she was tiny. She was an itty bitty baby because when she was born, there was a car coming and the mom didn't know what to do. So she ran and gave her life to them. It makes sense. Okay? So, back to my cat. She sticks her tongue out many times. See? If you would look very closely, she sticks her tongue out. See? She sticks her tongue out. She is currently on the couch. Wow. Sticking her tongue out and laying on the couch. So I hope you like this video today because she's a very old cat and a very wise cat. She chooses her food very wisely. And she's very old, so I hope she stays alive for about 5-10 more years or more. Because when she dies, I'll miss her. And she'll always be right here. Okay? So, if you have a cat that looks like this, which I never think you would, because she's super fat, because she stayed alive for all these years. See? She can stick her tongue out. And she put her tongue back in. Too much air. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this today, because she's a very special cat, aren't you? So, goodbye. And I hope you love this video.